Bullish ETH value expectation is $1,468.50 to $2,988.96. Ethereum cost could likewise reach $3,000 soon. Bearish ETH cost expectation for 2022 is $934.36. In Ethereum cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ETH to dissect the future development of the digital money. Ethereum current market status. The cost of Ethereum is $1,276.49 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,776,070,163 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, ETH has diminished by almost 1.4% as of now. Besides, Ethereum has a coursing supply of 120,523,829 ETH. At present, Ethereum exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, FTX, KuCoin, Gate.io, Huobi Global. What is Ethereum? Ethereum, known as Ether, is the local cryptographic money of Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain stage that upset the blockchain and DeFi area by the presentation of brilliant agreements. This second-age blockchain was sent off in 2015. Its local crypto coin, Ether, was sent off through an underlying coin offering in August 2014. The whole Ethereum network is filled by Ether. The outline of the Ethereum network was first delivered in quite a while white paper in 2013 by Ethereum fellow benefactor Vitalik Buterin. Since its send-off, the blockchain-based programming stage capabilities as a possible platform for a few other crypto tokens, DeFi conventions, and various decentralized applications. In this manner, Ethereum is viewed as the world PC. The brilliant agreements are coded programs that execute independently with pre-characterized conditions on Ethereum. These shrewd agreements are conveyed and executed by means of the Ethereum Candy Machine. Ethereum will progress to the confirmation of stake agreement through the consolidation redesign. At first, the Ethereum network was based on the high-energy concentrated confirmation of work since its send-off. From 2020, the Ethereum designers have started getting ready for the POW2POS change. The Union redesign is set for September 15. After this progress, the Ether, which was an inflationary symbolic, will change over into a deflationary token. Ethereum value forecast 2022. The above graph of ETH laid a climbing channel design, otherwise called the rising channel. The upper and lower pattern lines that interface the new records all around separately seem to move inside a rising slant. This example is by and large a quality of a bullish pattern. Presently, Ethereum is in the scope of $1,274.42, assuming that the example proceeds. The cost of ETH could arrive at the opposition levels of $2,034.99. On the off chance that the pattern inverts, the cost of ETH might tumble to $934.36. Ethereum backing and opposition levels. The diagram underneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum. The outlines show that Ethereum has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, ETH could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $2,988.96. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Ethereum could dive to nearly $1,003.61, a negative sign. Ethereum value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Ethereum is displayed in the outline underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of ETH lies beneath the end line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Ethereum is displayed in the diagram above. Prominently, Ethereum cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. At present, ETH has entered a negative state. Hence, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ETH whenever. In the meantime, the general strength file of the ETH is 41.94. This implies that Ethereum is in an oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of ETH might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Ethereum value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Ethereum. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Ethereum. Right now, the ADX of ETH lies in the scope of 30.14 and consequently, it demonstrates major areas of strength for it. The above graph likewise addresses the overall unpredictability record of Ethereum. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of ETH lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Ethereum is at 41.94, in this way affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of ETH with BTC. ATH. The underneath diagram shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ethereum. From the above outline, we can decipher ETH as moving in a comparative pattern to BTC. This shows that when the cost of BTC expands, the cost of ETH likewise increments. Likewise, when the cost of BTC diminishes, the cost of ETH diminishes. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Ethereum could most likely achieve $3,200 by 2023. Ethereum Value Forecast 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Ethereum could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ETH could revitalize to hit $3,400 by 2024. Ethereum Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Ethereum supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, ETH would energize to hit $3,500. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. If Ethereum supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, ETH would revitalize to hit $3,600. Ethereum Value Expectation 2027. If Ethereum supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, ETH would revitalize to hit $3,700. Ethereum Value Expectation 2028. If Ethereum holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, ETH would hit $3,800 in 2028. Ethereum Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Ethereum, it would observe significant spikes. ETH could hit $4,000 by 2029. Ethereum Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the Ethereum environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into ETH for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Ethereum could hit $4,400 by 2030. And, with ceaseless enhancements in the Ethereum organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for ETH. Consequently, the bullish value forecast of Ethereum in 2022 is $2,988.96. Then again, the negative value expectation of Ethereum cost forecast for 2022 is $934.36. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the Ethereum biological system, the presentation of ETH would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $4,878.